Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit their website to learn about new innovative conveyor drive technology, delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors.
Hi, my name is Brad Buescher, Assistant GM at RW Sidley in Thompson, Ohio. And I'm here today with our McCloskey plant that we got from Maverick in 2021. We're in year 2 with the plant, and lots of great performance from the plant. We needed to get it up and running pretty quickly, and that was one of the benefits of going with the equipment that we chose. Got up and running pretty quickly in 21. Ever since, we've been tweaking some of the settings as far as how quickly and how strong the water's pumping into the plant, different screening sizes, and we've really dialed the plant in to get the product that we're looking for. Now it's running real smooth. Only takes a couple of guys to run the plant, and so far, very happy. We continue to monitor. We actually monitor everything digitally. We use the digital information to help make decisions and tweak things on the plant, and couldn't be happier.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit their website to learn about new innovative conveyor drive technology, delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors.